Hi, in today's session we're gonna revise how to use loops in designing artistic shapes and funny shapes. Remember we're having a quiz on Tuesday. Tuesday will be 19th of May. The quiz materials are posted here. As we said before, the quiz will be in two parts. Part 1, MCQ quiz on model. Okay, the quiz will be available from the theoretical quiz will be available from 3 to 4 on model. Okay, the duration for the quiz is 25 minutes. The practical quiz will be here on model, and we said in our Zoom session the instructions of the quiz. Okay, and they will be written as well in the quiz, inshallah. The practical quiz will be from 4 to 5. The duration of the practical exam 40 minutes. So make sure they are separated. After finishing the first one, you need to wait till 4, okay, to start the practical exam. Here we have the materials of quiz 3. The theoretical will be how the internet works, and you can study it from the study notes here. Okay. A revision video was posted on Google Classroom revising the theoretical part. Okay. Here we have a video explaining how to design a digital scene. In this video we're having an explanation for the city night scene, and we had an assignment before on that scene. Then we're having 3 samples for different digital scenes, could be designed by a blob. When we click any of them, for example this one, snowman, after it loads you can click on view code, okay, to view the code of the game and revise, okay, for lesson 9 looping. Back to code.org. First of all, we need to create a AppLab project. Then we're going to rename the project with our name, and in the quiz you need to rename your project with your name slash quiz 3. Okay, click save. First of all, I need to create a background for my project, so moving to functions, drag a function here, change its name to be background. Okay, then from here turtle, select a dot, and a dot will create a very big circle. Make it 400, change the radius of the dot to be 400. We still have an error as we created a function but we didn't call the function, so we're gonna call our function from functions, drag a call function, okay, and place it here. Change my name to be background, and instead of typing just copy and paste. Okay, now the error disappear. We need to have a color for our background, so again click turtle and you can select a pen color and change the color here to any color you need, or we can create a combination of color. We can use this block, okay, to create a combination of different colors for our background using the random numbers. We're gonna substitute the value of each color, okay, by a random number, and they having a range from 0 to 255. So select a range between 0 and 255. So instead the 1 and 10, I'm gonna select 0 and 200, and this one will be from 0 to 100, and this one will be from 0 to make it 180. Okay, so every time I'm gonna run my program, it will take a random number for the R, a random number for the G, and so on. So click run. Okay, again reset and run. Okay, this one is okay. And by the way, when I reset and run, it will change it again. Now I need to create a function, okay, for drawing a square. So make it square. Okay, I need to move forward. Okay, then turn right, then move forward and turn right. We need to draw a square, so we need 4 sides. So we're gonna copy and paste, move forward and turn right 4 times. So copy, paste, 1, 2, 3. What did I do? I select the 2 blocks, okay. Then from the keyboard, I selected Control C for copying and Control V for paste. Okay, then we're gonna use a parameter. What are parameters? Parameters are a value we're gonna pass to our function. So instead of the 25, okay, I'm gonna write L for length, L, L, and L. And here we need to pass the name of the parameter. Okay, call the function. Okay, we're gonna select a call with a parameter up here. Okay, we're placing the call, then the function. So my function is square. Inside the parameter, I need to pass a value for L. Instead of typing 100, 200, and so on, okay, we're gonna make it okay, we're gonna make it random number, okay, from 100 to 100, from 100 to 150. Reset and run. Okay, we need to set a color for our function. Okay, reset and run. Okay, it didn't draw anything. We need to add a pen down. Okay, here. Okay, to draw any line, we need to add a pen down before typing the instructions. So reset and run. Okay, give a color to our pen down. Okay, pen down, pen color. Okay, we're gonna make it red. Okay, now we're having a square, okay, just one square in red. I need to draw like 10 squares, so I'm gonna use the loop from here, drag a for loop, okay, place it here. Inside the for loop, I will place my function for drawing the square. How many times do I need to repeat my square? It should be repeated How many times do I need to repeat my square? I need to repeat my square for like 10 times. Okay, 10. So I less than 10 will repeat the square for 10 times. It will repeat the function inside the for loop 10 times. Okay, reset and run. Okay, now we're having 10 squares. Okay, but we need to add a small step. After drawing the first square, okay, we need to add turn right and change the angle of turning right. So we're going to draw the first square, then the arrow will turn right and draw the other one, and turn right and draw the other one, and so on. So they will create a shape. We're going to select from here turtle, select turn right, okay, here, and change the 90 to be 30, reset and run. Okay, we can change the 10 to be like 20 to complete the shape. Okay, again we can minimize this one to be like 50 to 100. Okay, to have a smaller shape. Make them 50. Okay, and so on. This is how to use loops in drawing an artistic shape.